Okay, so all of the storage that was taken up by our videos and our images has all been deleted.
If you take a look at the settings on my phone, I've used 7.2 gigs out of 8 gigs, which means pretty soon when I'm trying to take pictures or video, I'm gonna get that little error message that says I'm out of space and I can't take anymore. Now, if I'm on vacation, I'm with my kids, it's important for me to have that space.
So the most frustrating thing happened the other day. I was on vacation with my family. Very, very excited to go on this cruise. I have my 2 young boys with me, Ethan and Aiden, and Aiden, my youngest, is nose to nose with a dolphin. You know, one of those moments that if you don't capture it now, you're never gonna have it again to reflect back on, like one of those moments. And I go to take a picture, and this dreaded message is what comes up on the phone. If you have ever been there, you know that you are just mortified right now.
And we found something that we like. We think you'll like it too. It's called the PhotoStick Mobile. The PhotoStick allows you to clear out that space and get access to all of your phone memories. It archives everything. Everything on my phone is being sniffed out, it's being found and downloaded to the PhotoStick and backed up so that it's safe.
Using the free app, you pick the pictures and videos to save. The other end of the gadget plugs right into your computer, so you can transfer the pictures over or just leave them on the stick.
So it's like a hard drive for your photos or whatever, huh?
Yeah. It comes in either 32 gig or larger. We have the 32.
Cool.
That's nice.
Now you're going to be able to go ahead and put it into a device that now you know where they are. And maybe you're like me, I don't have a printer at my home. You know, maybe I go to the kiosk to go and print out some of those photos.
That's it.
From a phone, it could be really difficult because you'd have to email, but now I've got it right there on my PhotoStick mobile.
And here you see it finished the job and it's saying, what do I want to do? Do I want to view the files on the PhotoStick? Let's take a look at the photos. Here's all the
amazing.
photos that it just archived. It's actually going onto the PhotoStick and it's pulling them up so that you can see them. If I click the button below that, right here, you'll see it says remove backed up files from the phone. So if I click that button right there, immediately it's going to delete everything that it just archived.
So now we can take all those photos again.
That's
New
right.
photos.
Now we know that all the photos and videos that were backed up are now here, right?
Right.
They're not there, which means we can free up all that storage space on the phone. Okay, so I just plugged the PhotoStick in to the side of my computer, and now my computer actually sees it as a hard drive. So here I go into the PhotoStick, I can go into the folders that were
Right.
here, into my photos, and here are all the photos.
There they are.
Right, so here's my son Ethan, he's actually skateboarding. I've got a skateboarding picture of him right there.
That's great.
Everything has been permanently archived. Now, what the beautiful thing is, I can now take the PhotoStick out, I can put it in a drawer, I can put it in a jewelry
Yep.
box, I can keep it along in the purse in case I fill up that storage again and I want to download again and remove all the new photos and videos.
Corey, I love when you bring products like this because really there's no cost for this kind of peace of mind.
That's right.
We are so attached to our phones, our life is on our phones. It's the photos, it's the videos, but as time goes on, we can't access those videos. And now what's great is finally with our PhotoStick Mobile, you're going to be able to safely access those photos and videos, but still always have that access and that space on your phone to keep making more and more and more memories.